At Clevertronics, we really strive to make emergency lighting easy. Whether you're a specifier, facility manager, or contractor, our aim is to ensure that we understand what your needs are and assist you in delivering the outcomes you're after.
Innovation is core to what we do. Being better is all that we think about, and you can see that in the outcome of our products.
I don't use anything else. I exclusively use Clevertronics because they just are the best.
The knowledge available from Clevertronics is second to none.
Over the course of our history, we've invested significant resources into product development. Our ethos and goal, which has been the driver of our investment, is to reduce that burden of compliance cost for our customers. So we have a number of internal lab facilities, both for compliance testing and to assist us with the iterations during the development stage, increasing our speed to market. Our photometric laboratory means that we can test these products and get them into the market a lot faster, but also we benchmark that against external laboratories. We also have equipment to perform the electrical tests on the product. For example, electrostatic discharge. We combine that with a humidity chambers and humidity test outcomes. We also have freezers, ovens. We're testing the stress on plastics. We're testing the low temperature performance of products.
There's an increasing awareness in Australia and around the world about compliance in emergency lighting, an essential life safety device that's heavily regulated. It's essential to provide a safe environment in every building. What Clevertronics is trying to do is provide a solution to make the compliance and the right solution to deliver that outcome an easy exercise.
It's a life safety device. If it doesn't work and somebody dies, I'm responsible. So I'm not going to specify something that I don't have 110% confidence in.
We have a long-term test facility that allows us to profile our products over the course of time. The information that we gain from the long-term test facility is used to go into the development of new products for the future and part of our innovation process.
Our engineers love a challenge for a specific application to deliver the best outcome for a project. Emergency lighting battery technology has always been the weakest link, but with the introduction of the L10 nanophosphate technology, that has really been flipped on its head. Has really taken the battery service and maintenance consideration out of the equation. So it's been a huge development.
Zoneworks XT Hive is the most advanced automatic testing system for emergency lighting globally. XT Hive was all about simplicity. Simpler to design, install, commission, but also then deliver that at a lower cost, not only to install, but particularly to maintain.
As far as projects go, we have over 2,000 Zoneworks sites, stadiums like the MCG and the Bet365 Stadium. The MCG, for instance, has got 3 of our systems in there all operating together. That's one of the things that we do. We make sure that every upgrade is backwards compatible with the previous system.
We assist with training personnel, contractors, facility managers in terms of the emergency lighting requirements, the operation of the system. We ensure that any software upgrades are being maintained on every site, and we do this throughout the life of the project.
The ALS, Advantage Lifetime Support, gives us the confidence that Clevertronics are going to back us for the length of the contract.
CleverEvac is a suite of dynamic exit signage products that increases the visual performance and affordance of exit signs, coupled with visual locatable directional sound to deliver a safer outcome in buildings.
Whether you're a specifier, end user, facilities manager or contractor, we aim to ensure that we understand what your needs are and assist you in delivering the outcomes you're after.
The people in Clevertronics have supported me. They've guided me for the last 18 years. And I believe the end result is a cut above. They just are the best.